Hababu Namwamba nere uyo choro numu waziri ase wizara ye chigosori nigo arire irayo bokoreri buru bwikiranu.
Been a journey that all of us embarked with a lot of passion, with a lot of zeal, and I think we have been able to inject integrity into not just the ministry but federations across our country. I want to especially, and Waziri, this is really, I hope that continues. We've had a lot of support. I want to thank Kenyans across every and all divides. They have been so supportive of everything that we've done as a ministry. And I'll just give you one example. And the example is something that we discussed earlier on. It's the football in our country. Example, we all know that football is extremely emotive in our country. It's a popular sport. Everybody talks and lives football. And it was a very difficult but courageous decision to take the steps that we took with football. Very, very, very difficult, but necessary. And the support that we got across the board was overwhelming. And I don't even need to speak to it, because you all saw that Kenyans came out in full force and said, look, we're giving you 2 years. And within the 2 years, please make sure that we regain the space that we occupied many years ago. And so I want to thank Kenyans for that support, for the support for the marathon, for the support for the continental tours, for every support they've given to our athletes. And we have very...
To tell you, without any fear of contradiction, that if President William Ruto had asked me to choose which pair of shoes to step into, I wouldn't have wished for or chosen better pair of shoes than those I step in here this afternoon. I'm stepping into the shoes of truly a Kenyan giant, a Kenyan heroine by any definition, by any stretch of the imagination. A lady that I have known for a long while, a lady that I have observed and have had the pleasure to work with. Early in my days as a member of parliament, I had the privilege to work with